Today, we're diving deep into the SteelSeries Alias USB microphone, a mic designed not just for streamers, but for anyone who wants studio quality sound without the hassle of a full audio interface setup. Design build quality, the Alias immediately feels premium. It has a solid metal frame, a matte black finish, and a modern minimalist look that blends well with any gaming or streaming setup. The microphone sits on a sturdy desk stand, with a built-in shock mount that helps reduce vibrations from typing or desk movement. Audio quality, the SteelSeries Alias features a large 1-inch condenser capsule, which is bigger than what you get on most USB mics. This results in a much richer, warmer tone that captures the full depth of your voice. The clarity is excellent, crisp highs, solid mids, and a smooth low end without being boomy overall. So, is the SteelSeries Alias USB microphone worth it? If you're a casual user who just needs a mic for Zoom calls, this is probably overkill. But if you're a streamer, content creator, podcaster, or someone who wants professional quality sound with simple USB plug-and-play convenience, the Alias is absolutely worth considering. Thank you so much.